Here's how to use and customize Webflow templates. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Launch your browser, search for Webflow, and open the official website. If you're new, sign up or log into your account. Once inside, you might be prompted to create or select your workplace. For instance, I'm in my workplace. Click on the New Site option. A range of design samples with placeholder images will greet you. As you scroll down, you'll find new paid, free, and e-commerce templates. I'll opt for a free template. There's a View All button to explore more choices. Delve into a treasure trove of top-notch free templates. The selection is impressive. I've chosen a template I love and named the project. Watch as the template loads into the Webflow designer. There it is, ready for our touch. Let's take a closer look. Time to customize. First, let's swap out the logo. Adjust its dimensions in the settings on the right. Now, modify the button text to contact us. Change the header's background image, and tweak the background color of those two buttons. Move to the testimonials section. Let's place the reviewer info at the top. A simple drag and drop will do. Feel the power. You can adjust any element using the settings on the right. Every aspect is customizable here, giving you full creative control. You can effortlessly create and personalize stunning websites.